In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlights on a Nissan Altima. The process is the same for both sides. Remove the clips on the top of the bumper and grille. I'm using a trim removal tool or a clip removal tool. There's usually two more. Ours are just missing. There's one 10mm screw holding the front bumper on. We're going to pull back our fender liner to gain access to it. Remove that. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the clips on the front engine splash shield. And the 3 Phillips head screws going through the inner fender liner to the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to start at the corner and start to unclip the clips and start to pull the front bumper off. Do the same thing on the other corner and then remove the bumper. To remove the headlight, there's going to be 4 10mm bolts. There's usually one right here. Ours is snapped. And then there's one on the side of the fender. Pull straight out to remove the headlight. We're going to start to remove the harness off of it. There's a clip on the front. Squeeze the tabs and push in to release the clip. Then continue pulling the harness out. There's another set of tabs in here. I'm going to push on one side and pull. Then try to get the other side, just like that. And release the connectors off of all of the bulbs. I pulled up on that one. Same thing for this one. This one's electrical taped together like it was broken, so we're just going to twist this one out and pull it out. This one has a little locking connector. Push that back, push down on the tab and pull. And there's one last set of pinch clips. Pinch and pull. Then you can put the harness down this side. After removing the electrical tape off of this, I'm just going to pull up on this tab right here. Pull that connector off. Install the harness onto the headlight. Install the 10mm screws into the headlight, one on the side of the fender. And then 3 up top. And then 1 more right here, and we're missing it. Install the bumper. I like to line up one side. Then the other. Push it back into place. I'm going to put 2 clips in the top just to make sure my bumper doesn't fall off as I'm putting in the other side. Wrap it around, make sure it's fitting under the headlight. And push it into place. If you have to pry any of this plastic over, I recommend using a plastic trim tool as to not mar up the front bumper or the grille. Install the screw in the fender. Push your inner fender liner back into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Put in your clips for the front splash shield. And install the 3 Phillips head screws on each side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.